Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to do this video. I've wanted to do this for a while now, and I finally have the courage. I have my makeup in front of me here. I have my viewfinder flipped down. Can't see myself, don't have mirrors. Let's do this, the no mirror makeup challenge. I've been kind of just enjoying like doing these random videos on my channel lately. I just think it's a little bit fun and kind of switches it up from like the usual fun fashion and makeup and beauty and stuff. But honestly, the YouTube beauty community was built on these fun challenges. I'm also a little bit sick, so don't mind me, but I'm on my cold medicine and I'm feeling okay right now. I kind of like put my hair out of my face so I could really just like focus on the makeup. I have everything lined up in front of me. So let's get into it. I hope we stay in focus this whole time because not having the viewfinder up, there's nothing up there, making me a little nervous. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with primer. This is the Dr. Brandt Luminizing Primer. Hands are washed. It feels weird not having anything to look at. Like, you know, I can't look in my mirror. I can't look in, there's no viewfinder. Like, where do I look right now? I guess I'll look at you. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into foundation. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I used this actually quite often. I am the shade 366C Buff Bisque. I like this. It has a little spatula, so ooh, this is a vulnerable feeling. Okay. Okay. All right. So I just cleaned my beauty blender. And I'm just gonna, I feel like I do this every day, so I feel like I should do okay, but I'm probably underestimating this challenge. It just feels weird. I just got these new little rose gold earrings on Overstock. Overstock always has the best sales. I'll link them below if I can find them. Okay. It smells so good. Does the foundation smell good? Oh no, I just washed my beauty blender with dish soap. That smells really good. Does anyone else use dish soap to wash their beauty blender? Dish soap or baby shampoo? Feeling pretty well blended on my cheeks. Make sure I get down my neck a bit, around my ear. I didn't do my forehead yet. That's pretty important. Okay. Get up in there. Get up in there. Okay. Sometimes I go in on my eye area. I have a feeling it's just not going to be as full coverage as I want because I can't really see what parts right now are not so covered. Foundation is done. I feel like it's okay. We'll see later. I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Light 20. This oxidizes a lot, by the way. I don't know if anyone else noticed, but like it looks way lighter in the tube than when you put it on. Like it sits on for, you know, like 30 seconds and it gets way darker. But I'm just trying to use it up down my nose. Oh my god, am I gonna try to contour my nose today? Alright, I'm just gonna blend this out. I highlighted the center of my face. My grandma's Snapchatting me. That's how we communicate. We talk on the phone too, but like she downloaded Snapchat like sometime last year, and that's how she like talks to her grandkids now because she doesn't have texting. I always tell people, I'm like, oh, I gotta Snapchat my grandma back, and they're like, what? Casual. Okay, hopefully we're all blended. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Earthspun, and I'm going to bake under my eyes. And yeah. All right, while I'm baking, oh, my eyebrows. This might be the scariest part, honestly. I'm gonna use my Anastasia Brow Wiz in Caramel. This is terrifying. This is terrifying. All right, maybe if thankfully I have pretty full brows, so maybe I'll just try to do the tail. So I'm gonna put my finger like below it. Oh no, that doesn't feel right. Okay, I'm gonna follow my arch. I'm just gonna try to do a little like baby strokes in the front. Brush, brush, brush. Hopefully that's okay. Just gonna do the same over here. I'm trying to use my finger as a guide, but feels a little off. Brush, brush, brush. Hopefully that's good. I'm gonna throw a little primer on my eyelids, a little MAC Soft Ochre, just a little bit on my lid. I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay Back Talk palette today. It's literally my new obsession. I am obsessed. And it has a removable mirror, which I removed in advance. Okay, I'm gonna take the rest of my Airspun in here and I'm just gonna set the rest of my face, wipe away my baking. We're doing okay so far. I wish I could like do a little check-in, but I'm gonna have to wait till the end. Okay, face is set. So I have the mirror side tucked away. I'm not trying to cheat on this, guys. I want this to be authentic. Okay, so I'm just gonna use some of the KKW Beauty bronzer. And I'm just bronzing. This I could do in my sleep. Bronzer I could do in my sleep. That's it. That's the only part. Sometimes I don't even look in the mirror when I do this IRL as well. So outer temples, cheeks, down the neck. It's the one part that's gone well. Am I right? Okay, I'm gonna grab some of the highlighter while I have this open. Just gonna mix the two shades. Highlight's pretty easy too, I guess, for the most part. If I don't have a mirror, it's an excuse to over highlight. Take a little on the nose. That felt excessive. So I have the Back Talk palette with the little mirror removed in the middle. Oh, did I put my finger in that? I love these blushes. I am actually obsessed with them. Ooh, I feel like I have a little brush hair somewhere. So I've been wearing these two quite a bit because they're a little bit more of like a natural shimmer. These are both like very shimmery and glowy. So Cheap Shot and Double Take I love. And I've been kind of just mixing the two lately. They're really pigmented, but I think they're so pretty for the upcoming spring season. By the way, I bought these Sonia Kashuk brushes at Target and I'm actually obsessed. They're really good. So if you want to get like some good new brushes, I really, really like these. Tapered powder brush for blush. I use their large powder for my face. I don't know. They're really good. Okay, so our skin is done. And I'm going to just use the same palette for my eyes. I totally did forget though. I want to try to contour my nose. I'm not going to use cream, but I'm going to use like the usual powder. So I'm going to grab this cool powder from KKW Beauty. Because I've been like really loving a contoured nose lately. And I'm wondering if I can do this without a mirror. Oh no. This is a little scary. Like if I don't cream contour it, I'll still just take a little bit of this cool toned eyeshadow or bronzer, and I'll just like do the sides of my nose and blend it up. Like it's so funny because it doesn't feel like I'm doing too much, but I probably am. And while I have this open, I'm going to take a little bit of the highlighter and highlight my brow bone. Hopefully. Brow bones, inner corner, Cupid's bow, a little on the center of the nose. So I'm gonna grab my palette. I feel like I'm doing this a lot faster than I normally would too with a mirror because like I'm not focusing on details because I don't know what's going on in my face. So I feel like this is going by really fast. Maybe it's not, maybe I'm just having a good time. All right, I'm gonna take the shade Back Talk and I'm just going to plop that on my crease with a shadow brush. This is the Lancome's number 17 brush. This is a really effortless like matte mauve color, which goes fine in the crease. I've been literally wearing this for like the last week straight. I feel like I need to just take my time on the shadow, get it nice and blended. Oh god, fake eyelashes. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna take some of the shade 3 Sheets. It's like a pale pink, and I'm gonna put this on my lid. Okay, just trying to feel it out. And I'm gonna go ahead and I like to take these last couple of shades here and work them in the crease as well. And just try to blend them in. I don't know if it's blended or not yet. Oh, I hope so. I feel like I blended for a while. Okay, just trying to feel that outer corner and then just start to work it in. I just closed both my eyes. I'm like, well, I may as well just take a little rest while I'm doing this. Okay. That feels about right. All right, God, is it time for lashes? First and foremost, we gotta do mascara. I'm gonna use my It Cosmetics Superhero like I do. Lashes are so scary. I really, really don't want to get that mascara anywhere. But I feel like I already did. Try to come a little closer. I can't see where I am on the viewfinder. Oh, I just hit my lid. Crap. Okay. Let's do lashes. So I grabbed my new Allure dramatic lashes. Why did you grab the dramatic ones, Alex? It's a dramatic look. These are glued on. My lord. I'm gonna use my tweezers. These look really long. Should I try trimming them? Okay, I just grabbed my little scissors. I'm gonna cut off. I pretty much know how long my lashes should be because that was so long. All right, I'm gonna use some of my just duo glue. I like my glue the best. Let it get nice and tacky because especially doing this without sight of what's happening, if they're tacky, I think it'll sit better. This will be a miracle if I can pull this off. I'm not doing eyeliner only because I literally never wear eyeliner, so this is kind of my makeup routine that I've been doing pretty much every day for like the last week since I got that palette. I've worn this look so many times. I'll show you the lip after. Oh shit, Jesus. Oh my god. That actually scared. Shit. Back to blowing on this. Okay, I think we're tacky enough. Hopefully. This is terrifying. Okay. Just pretend you're doing it at home. At home. I am at home. I don't know about the center. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, let me just check it with the tweezers. Okay. Did we do it? It feels right. All right, we're gonna do the other one. This feels right. My lash feels, I don't know. I think it feels right. I don't know. I'm gonna watch this back and be horrified. All right, grab our lash glue. For lash number 2, the key is to not put too much glue. It's a thin little strip. I say as I give a tutorial, not looking at myself. Okay. Oh, the center is hard. Oh, I got glue somewhere. I don't know where. It feels wet everywhere. Okay. Maybe if I do it like this. Okay. All right. I feel like it's on. I think our lashes are on. Oh, I feel a little glue everywhere. Okay, so I'm going to do the lip combo I've been doing as well. We have Spice from MAC and we have the Back Talk lipstick from Urban Decay. This is going to be tricky. I'm going to try to do lip liner because I really like overlining a little bit on the top. Okay. Ugh. Okay, this glue is messed up. That means something is wrong. This one does not feel as good as the other eye. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't have tried to overdraw. Okay. Well, this should be easier. Maybe if I like this, it'll just clean it up a little. Okay. Yes, I think we did everything. This is literally the exact makeup routine. Well, not exact, but this is the makeup I've been wearing, like I said, every day for a while now. So how did I do? Still doesn't feel right. All right, so I guess I'm gonna look at myself now. Okay, go get my mirror. The big reveal. I'm nervous. Oh. First of all, my skin looks great. I think we know the foundation routine is nailed down. My skin looks perfect. Not perfect, but how it normally looks. My brows are a little messed up. Let me flip up the viewfinder. The viewfinder. Oh, my skin look glowy. Okay, let me zoom you in here so you can really see. My brows are a little messy. We got a little outside the lines, a little bit. Okay. Lashes. Nose contour kinda works. Look at this lash. This eyelash. Oh, okay, eyeshadow. Blended okay. Not the worst blending, honestly. Lash is a hot mess. This one, does this one look better than that one? I think it does. This one I just put up way too far. Yeah. Bronzer, blush, highlight, all looks pretty normal. Lipstick, a little off, but not the worst. Honestly, I could fix up my eyebrows, take these lashes off, fix my lips a little bit, and be okay. I'm a little bit more impressed than I thought I would be. Let me know, how do you think I did? This was so much fun to film. Oh my god, every time I blink, this like gets stuck because there's so much glue. How did I mess that up so badly? This was so much fun, and I love to switch it up. I've been trying to do more like different videos on my channel lately, like the video with Kelly, throwing Q&As back in, following my first ever makeup tutorial. I've tried to do those recently. I love doing, you know, get ready with me's and makeup tutorials and try on hauls, but I think it's fun to do like a fun random video like this here and there. Tweet me what you want me to do next. I think maybe trying the 5-minute to makeup challenge, like doing your whole face in 5 minutes, would be really cool. I'm also going to be doing some updated foundation routines, some updated skincare now that my skin is changing on my new medication. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked this. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!